This is how to post Reels on Instagram from your PC. So let's get started. The first step is to open your browser and then search for instagram.com. Then if you aren't logged in, you will have to enter your credentials. And once you're here, you have to select the plus button that's create. So select this and then click on post. So over here, we have to add the video. And there are two methods to do this. One is to drag it here, or else you can click on select from computer. So for now, I'm selecting this video. Then we have two options. One is to resize it. And you also have the option to move the video around based on how you want it. Then click on next. After that, from the top right, you can select the cover photo. They also have an option to select it from your computer. So if you want, you can do that as well. And then there's an option to trim the video if you want to. So again, to do this, you can just trim by dragging either sides. And then you can decide if you want sound or if you don't want. Then click on next. So this is the final page. And you would have noticed that most of the controls which are on the phone, you'll find them over here. So first, if you want to tag people, just select tag people that's at the bottom left. And then you can enter their accounts. After that, you can add a caption over here. So like this, you can type whatever you want. And then they have some options below. First is to add location. Then if you want to add collaborators, you can do both from here. After that, you can schedule the reel. So if you want to do this, just enable it. And then enter the date and time when you want it to go live. And after that, we have the other settings, like sharing it to Facebook. Or if you go to advanced settings, then from here, you can hide like and view counts, turn off commenting. And once you've gone through all of this, the only thing left to do is click on share. And after that, your reel will be live. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.